I Am Game Sports Conclave 2025 took place in Delhi on Friday, bringing together key voices from the world of sports, business and technology. The conclave hosted insightful sessions on sports financing, digital fan engagement, esports, women-led ventures and regional content creation. A report by DD India correspondent Narayan Singh.
India is bidding to host the 2036 Olympic Games, and the government is leaving no stone unturned to make it a grand success. As a part of this push, government has urged corporates, startups to actively participate in the Olympic movement and support the country's sporting ecosystem. In line with this vision, I'm Game took a significant step by bringing together athletes, coaches, and brands and industry leaders under one roof. The IM Games Sports Conclave 2025 was held in Delhi and served as a platform to spark conversation around the future of Indian sports. Addressing the gathering, Minister of State for Corporate Affairs Harsh Malhotra described India's new sports policy as a game changer.
आज 13-14 साल का बच्चा इंटरनेशनल इवेंट खेल सकता है, तो उसके लिए एक बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मोदी जी के मार्गदर्शन में हमारे देश में नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी 2025 जो अभी 1 जुलाई को आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उसकी अनुमति कैबिनेट ने दी है, तो मैं समझता हूं कि ये बड़ा गेम चेंजर होगा.
The conclave featured insightful sessions on key areas such as sports financing, digital fan engagement, esports, women led ventures, and regional content creation. Each session highlighted the need to strengthen the overall sports ecosystem in India.
No athlete can rise without the right grassroots. No league can grow without the fan culture or fandom. No policy can work unless the private sector builds on it, and no investment makes sense without long-term collaboration. Which is why I Am Game is built on a simple belief that we are stronger together.
अब वक्त आ गया हिंदुस्तान का स्पोर्ट्स में शाइन करने का. ये अगले 10-12 साल हमारे से कोई नहीं ले सकता स्पोर्ट्स में. और आई एम गेम एक ऐसा मंच है जो जैसे सारे पिलर्स को एक साथ इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं, ताकि जो ये एक मोमेंटम बिल्ड करने की जरूरत है.
A major focus of the discussion was on improving the financial structure of Indian sports, from funding grassroots programs to ensuring job security and long-term support for athletes. Narayan Singh's report for DD India, Delhi.